Have you ever thought about growing your own herbs at home? Imagine the unparalleled freshness, the convenience of having aromatic herbs at your fingertips, and the sheer satisfaction of cultivating your own food. Imagine the joy of plucking fresh herbs right from your garden for your cooking. It's easier than you think. First, decide which herbs you'd like to grow. The options are abundant, from fragrant basil to woody rosemary, vibrant parsley, or refreshing mint. The best advice? Opt for the ones you often incorporate into your culinary creations. Once you've picked your herbs, it's time to get planting. Start by getting your hands on some quality seeds or young plants. Whether you're planting seeds or transplanting seedlings, ensure they're nestled into nutrient-rich soil. Sunlight is vital. Most herbs thrive with 6 to 8 hours of it daily. Watering is crucial too, but remember, overwatering can lead to root rot. So keep the soil moist, not drenched. It's a delicate balance, but with a bit of practice, you'll get it right. Remember, your herbs need a lot of love and care, just like any other plant. Once your herbs are in the ground, it's all about maintenance. Regular watering is key, but remember, different herbs have different needs, so make sure to research your specific plants. Pruning is another essential task. It encourages growth and keeps your herbs healthy. And let's not forget about pests. Keep a keen eye out for any unwanted visitors that may harm your plants. With a little effort and attention, your herb garden will flourish. With regular care, your herbs will thrive and be ready for harvest in no time. When your herbs are lush and fragrant, it's time to harvest. Snip stems with care, leaving enough for the plant to continue growing. Now, savor the fruits of your labor. Add these aromatic gems to your meals. There's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, homegrown herbs in your dishes. Growing your own herbs at home is a rewarding and flavorful journey. To recap, choose, plant, maintain, and harvest. Experience the joy of fresh flavors and the satisfaction of self-sustainability. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!